Yes. All right. That was the quickest I ever did that. Less than 2.5 minutes. All right. Starting to get the hang of it. Let's do it again. All right. Scratch. All right. Apply bottom keyway tension all the way back to the fourth pin. Set that, get good movement. Go to the third pin, get even more movement. Find the second pin. Get a nice click on 2. Yeah, see if I can get 1. Come on, baby. There we go. I'm getting pretty good at this lock. That one took even less time. Let's do it again. All right. Yeah, once you figure out the pattern to the lock, you can repeat the process all in good time. I'm going to do it for a third time. Go all the way to the back. Yeah, that's the pattern for this one. Go all the way to the back. Set 4. Come back to 3. Set 3. And look at that. Wow. Third time in a row was faster than the second. Second one was faster than the third. Let's do it again. Oh yeah, by the way, 3/4 for that. 1, 2, 3. Let's do it for 4 times for an even $1. All right. All the way to the back. Same thing. All the way to the back. I'm getting excited now. I got to calm down. Okay, set 4. That was 4. Oh, it almost opened right then and there. I must have set 3 first and 4. I guess it didn't matter if it was setting 3 first and 4 or setting 4 first and 3. No, this one's a little different. Come on, baby. Let's go. I'm trying to put $1 in that jar for this log. Come on. Ah, there we go. All right. Yeah, I think it was 2 that was bound up. It's just, it has to be just exactly the right movement. All right, cool. This is just an extra video raising money for the Michael J. Fox Foundation for Parkinson's Research, and there's another $1. If you did watch this video, thank you very much. Getting better at this stuff, and I'm really enjoying it. So thanks to the community for supporting me and sticking by me. Alrighty, see you later, folks. Thank you.